SQLite versus PostgreSQL. Full comparison for developers and data engineers. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular relational database systems, SQLite and PostgreSQL. Whether you're developing a lightweight app or managing large-scale enterprise data, this guide will help you choose the right database for your needs. Let's dive in. First, we have here the SQLite, which is best for lightweight, embedded applications. First, it has a serverless database, runs directly on the device app or no separate server needed. Second, lightweight and fast, small print with ideal for mobiles, embedded system, and LOT devices. Third, it has an easy setup, no configuration required, just add the database file and you're good to go. Fourth, it has a cross-platform compatibility, works seamlessly across Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. But it has its cons. It is only limited concurrency, handles a single write operation at a time, which can be a bottleneck for high-traffic apps. 2 is to no advanced features, lacks of support for complex queries, advanced indexing, and stored procedures. But it's still best for mobile apps, small desktop application, testing environments, and apps where simplicity and minimal resource usage are essential. Now we have here the PostgreSQL, which is best for scalable, feature-rich application. First, it has an advanced SQL compliance, fully supports complex queries, joins, and stored procedures. Second, highly scalable, built to handle high traffic, large-scale applications, and complex workloads. Third, extensible, supports custom data types, function, and even programming languages like Python and JavaScript inside the database. Fourth, it has a concurrency support, uses multi-version concurrency control MVCC for high-performance concurrent operations. But it has a cons. First, it has a required server setup, needs configuration and server management, making it more complex to deploy. Second, large resource footprint, uses more memory and storage compared to SQLite, but it is best for enterprise applications, web services, data warehouses, and any project requiring scalability, complex queries, or high concurrency. Now let's dive into our final verdict. Go with SQLite if you need a lightweight, simple database for small apps, mobile development, or embedded systems where performance and ease of use are top priorities. On the other hand, choose PostgreSQL if you're building a large, high-traffic application that requires scalability, advanced queries, and concurrency management for complex basic knowledge. Now, which database solution do you think fits your best project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.